Don't stop for kids, man. Damn it, stop for yell like that.
Yep. Or
Bass boat.
that's what it is. Yeah, that's one of the first bass boats. It was made for the lakes. USO.
I love that turbo whistle.
Never walked barefoot by a river, felt the mud up between your toes. You never rolled in the hay, you never thought in a four-wheel. Climb up on in here, girl, let me show you how country feels. Put your hair down, get you some of this laid on back. Kick your shoes off, kick them off, get you some of this slow down fat. I'll take you up.
I just Z01. No, it's not. Where's y'all's IDs?
They don't play around with speeds on these roads.
Fuck no.
What's this, all Navy housing? Yeah, what's this? Huh?
It's an 18-hole golf course or two.
That's bad. Look at that, Christy.
That one is. My name's Johnny.
What's in my swag? What's in my step?
Listen, my nigga dropped nice shit.
You don't like it in the shadows.
See a golf course?
Oh, yeah.
Let me shine a light. I would wash away all trouble. But it seems the more that I pull,
So here are all frigates.
the more that you let go.
All frigates.
Yeah. Little ships.
What's up, Shawty? Why you going all fucking shy?
There's Amanda's on a cruiser. Amber, Amber's on.
She's on the one over there.
Oh, really?
The way over there is 58.
Next guy trying to go around here.
Where we're at in our
Just flying.
just the wind, the rock.
This guy's like riding my ass right now.
I can't go there. That's just too much. I can't go
places in my heart and head feel as empty as a bed. So most nights I don't even walk upstairs, 'cause I can't go there.
Yours is 68.
Remember sadness just go on that
Right there.
our reflection in the window of that store. How we danced the night away with the lights out on the bay.
That's a cruiser. On the destroyer.
What's that?
What do you mean?
69's a cruiser.
Yeah, you can tell. See how on mine? See how the pilot house is more like.
yeah.
See the angles on it are way different.
Yep.
Like this one, the angles are different, and that one it's real boxy.
Yeah. What's the Shamrock on there for?
The Sullivans were Irish.
Yeah. The four brothers that were all killed in the same.
5.
Or was it 5? I thought it was 4.
Walk upstairs.